Hello, I'm Harlan, your backyard grill sergeant, here to take your grilling to the next level. Today, I'm going to show you how to season your brand new offset smoker. Now, the first thing you need is you need to go out and get yourself some canola oil, some coarse kosher salt, and some paper towels. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and start a fire in the firebox and let it burn for at least 1 to 2 hours. This will actually burn off all the oils and stuff from the factory, any of the gook that's in there from shipping, all that stuff. You want to get it burn out. Now, one thing to keep in mind, when you're doing anything barbecue or smoking, it's really important to take it nice and slow and give it tender love and care. Oh yeah, I'm gonna oil you up real nice. Once you get your first fire done, what you're gonna do is actually get your smoker opened up like this. Get yourself some paper towels. And pour some of the canola oil on your paper towel. And you're going to take some of your coarse salt and sprinkle it on so it sticks to the canola oil. And what you're going to do is you're going to coat the entire inside of your grill, either the cooking chamber and the fire pot. And it's okay that you just add more canola oil once it starts. Don't forget to get the grates, the cooking grates. Once you get all the top half done, you're going to take the cooking grates out, flip them over, do the bottom sides of the cooking grate, take them back out, and then do the bottom side. If your paper towel starts getting a little bit nasty, get yourself a new paper towel and keep on going. Now that I got the grates all finished, I'm going to take them out and do the inside, the very bottom of the grill, the cooking area. Now at this point, I actually wouldn't even mind just going ahead and pouring a little bit down in the bottom. Let's add some salt while we're at it. Ugh. There. Once you get the whole interior of the cooking chamber oiled nicely, you go ahead, put your grates back in, and then oil the firebox. This part, I don't really care if the paper towels are all gross and nasty. It's just a firebox. Ugh. Ugh. Well, I'm gonna go wash my hands and I'm gonna be right back. There, now that you have the entire inside of your grill all nicely seasoned with the oil and salt, you're gonna take and build a charcoal and wood fire inside your firebox and hold a temperature of about between 250 to 300 degrees in the cooking chamber for at least 2 hours. Well, there you go. That's all there is to it. Now that you've given it a nice seasoning and you let it run at 250 to 300 degrees for 2 to 3 hours, then you're ready to start smoking. Next time on the Backyard Grill Sergeant, I'm going to show you how to maintain a fire in one of these bad boys.